Namaskar students. Srithi compounds polypropylene. Polypropylene is made from propylene by polymerization reaction. Okay, so the basic raw material is propylene. So we directly discuss about the flow diagram of polypropylene. So there are three basic steps. First one is catalyst preparation. So, and second one is polymerization reaction, and third one is stabilization. Okay, let's discuss. First one is catalyst preparation. So this one is catalyst preparation tank. Okay, triethyl aluminum and titanium dichloride is mixed. 10% solution is made in a solvent heptane. Okay, this mixture is sent to a polymerization tank. The condition is 65 to 70 degrees Celsius and 10 to 20 bar pressure. Here our raw material propylene is mixed with catalyst solution. So from this polymerization reactions occur here and polypropylene is formed. Now we have to stabilize our product. So all the polymers from this is sent to stabilization tank. In stabilization tank, alcohol is added. Okay. Now from stabilization it will goes through the centrifuge. This one is centrifuge. So our product is stabilized and then centrifuge in a centrifuge. So from this centrifuge it is sent to a stripper, which is a steam stripper. Steam is there. From here we remove attractive polypropylene and alcohol plus solvent is recycled and backfed to the column. From stabilization, unreacted off gases are further sent. Unreacted gases. Okay. Now heavy polymer from centrifuge, from the top of the centrifuge, is sent to another stripper, which is also a steam stripper, and from bottom we get our product polypropylene. These both are stripper. From top of the stripper, alcohol plus solvent are recycled. Okay, simple flow chart is there. Main thing is catalyst preparation tank, second one polymerization tank, third one is stabilization tank. Okay, got it? Remaining is purification and stabilization steps, and some of the raw materials or solvent in alcohol is recycled. Okay, got it? Now the uses of polypropylene, very widely used in households like furnitures, toys, containers, lunch boxes, etc. etc. It is also used in manufacturing of vehicle parts, that means automobile parts, and it is also used in industrial textiles, or it is we can say that it is also used in textile industries, and it is also used as a packaging material. So these are the uses of polypropylene. Simple, no properties is there, no MEP is there, simple flow sheet, and only uses is there. Thank you.